Kolkata rape horror has sent shock waves across the nation. Rape and brutal murder of a young doctor inside RG Kar Medical Hospital has triggered a massive outrage. Students in opposition in West Bengal are protesting against the authorities, demanding justice for the 31-year-old trainee doctor. Indian Medical Association has issued a warning to Bengal authorities, giving them an ultimatum of 2 days to arrest all the culprits. IMA has said that if authorities fail to arrest the culprits in 48 hours, it will hold nationwide protests. Meanwhile, police has arrested one accused so far, Sanjay Roy, who is surprisingly a civic volunteer who assists cops. He has been sent to 14-day police custody. Amid this, politics is speaking over the brutal crime. The BJP went all guns blazing at the Mamata government, declaring West Bengal an unsafe state for women. However, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has vowed strict action against those involved.
सबसे पहली मांग ये है कि इस पूरे जो मामला है, जो वाक़या है, उसकी एक सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो। ये जो डॉक्टर थी वो वहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी, चेस्ट मेडिसिन विभाग में थी, ऑन ड्यूटी थी उस समय जिस समय उनके साथ ये दुखद घटना घटी है। और एक ड्यूटी डॉक्टर के साथ ऐसा होना ये पहली बार हमने सुना है। और इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अस्पताल प्रशासन की लैप्सेस हैं जिसके वजह से ऐसा हुआ है। और हमें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पर इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है, क्योंकि जो इंटरनल खबरें आई हैं उनमें ये बातें आ रही हैं कि वो उन्हीं के पार्टी के कुछ एसोसिएटेड लोग हैं जो अक्यूज्ड हैं। तो इस
तृणमूल और सीपीएम की सेटिंग है, सेटिंग की राजनीति चल रही है। यहाँ तृणमूल के कहने से सीपीएम ने ये किया है, रोक रहा है हमें। कल भी पुलिस के तरफ से भी ये हुआ था। पुलिस कल हमारे नेताओं को जाने में रोक रही थी, लेकिन सीपीएम के मीनाक्षी देवी को ले जाने में पुलिस का पूरी तरीके से सहयोग रहा। ये पूरी सेटिंग है टीएमसी और सीपीएम की।
See, this proves when CPM is obstructing the road and our honorable central minister and our president has come, Dr. Shukanto Majumdar, police is asking us to take another road. Why? They can't lathi charge like they do it on BJP. What are they afraid of? That is the reason we say TMC and CPM are all together. CPM is the B team of TMC in West Bengal. And that is proved again here. The police is standing there and protecting them. And our central minister is standing over here and waiting for the clearings.
We have Ritik Mondal joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ritik, horrific details coming in of the murder, rape and murder from Kolkata. And there's a political war of words that's going on because of the murder of the trainee doctor. But the CPM has claimed that the police commissioner of Kolkata was suppressing the case, and they've also ordered, asked for a judicial inquiry. Can you tell us more about that?
Well, definitely, currently the SIT team of Kolkata Police is assisting with regards to the inquiry, but as per the inquiry investigation is concerned, we are given to understand that the man, the prime accused who has been arrested for his alleged role in this horror killing of a junior doctor at RG Kar Medical College Hospital, had easy access to this hospital for being associated with Kolkata Police, for being, a civic volunteer. Nobody stopped him at the doorstep at RG Kar Hospital when this incident or the crime happened. But he was arrested soon after. He was seen in on several, CCTV footages in and around the crime scene that particular time. And also, he was caught on CCTV camera entering that seminar hall where the horror happened or the killing happened. But later on, police is, investigating the matter, and this man is being grilled by the investigating authority. As you rightly pointed out, we can see that politics is raising over this issue. Opposition parties, be it BJP, left and other parties, are targeting the ruling dispensation. But the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has assured the victim family for a thorough inquiry and justice for the victim lady. But we can see that the arrest of this prime accused is not going to die down anger among the doctors of the states now. Protests are being raised in several other state-run hospitals, in cities hospitals where several junior doctors are protesting, demanding justice with regard to this incident. But it would be interesting to see what happened next, and police is also inquiring that if there are any other people were involved in this crime. Back to you.
Right. Thank you for bringing us all those details, Ritik.